Hello everyone, with Mrs. Diva. I'm extremely sorry there has been a technical glitch. I hope you can hear me and see me clearly. We were trying to sort that out, Astha and me, and things went a little haywire. So let me know if you guys are around and if you can see me. I believe there's a little technical glitch in here. Hi Astha, and thank you so much for joining. So I was a little nervous. I'm not too sure how this went. The technical glitch went. Can everyone else see me and hear me? Asta, may I request you to add or tag Neha Neeraj, please? Neha Neeraj Sehgal from the group. I believe that the net has been very slow and in places, and there has been situations. Asta, would you please tag Neha Neeraj Sehgal? Hello. I can see Ritu here, Neva. Can you hear me? Thank you, Neva. I'm basically not able to see the comments because they are just coming at the bottom later. Thank you so much, Asta. You've been so kind. I'm just about to tell everybody how else kind you are. Hey Ritu, how are you doing? Okay, Neva, thank you for bringing her here. Sure. Perfect. So I was basically hoping that we start the session with the birthday girl. Perfect, Asta. Okay, so I just wanted to, first and foremost, apologize for the technical glitch that we are going through. Is that so? Okay. Do you think you can hear me better now? Ritu, please just confirm if you can hear me. Hi, Dr. Shashi. I have something very special for Neha. Thank you, Shashi, Dr. Shashi. Really nice. It's very kind of you. So, I am just going to help you understand what LinkedIn is about. And very kindly, what Asta has done is thank you so much, Ritu. Now, what kindly Asta has done is she sent me frequently asked questions about LinkedIn. Apparently, she's done a good amount of survey and understanding about what the group really needs, and she has approached. So that was a wonderful thing. So Asta, just like so many proactive aptitudes that you have, okay, you go about into coaching women entrepreneurs to find their potential to make a living out of just by being at home and following and pursuing their own hobbies and interests. So hats off to you, Asta. Very few have that kind of drive to mentor people at even grassroots level. And not only do you take people from grassroots level, you actually take them to leaders, as a position as well. So really, I'm really happy to know that you are in my business circle, and there is so much to learn from you, really. Then I just wanted to basically tell you all, give you a little small little introduction about myself. Asta has already been so kind with her words. So all I can tell you is that hi, I am Rishika Inamdar. I'm India's first virtual assistant. I'm a brand catalyst and now an author. So yes, my book has just come out, and in the beginning of year 2020, just before everything else fell flat on our face and time just revolved, I was featured as among 35 women entrepreneurs of 2020, and that has been amazing. Neha, welcome. So I'm just hoping that the other Neha as well comes in and joins us. Now, I am trying to help you guys understand, help you all over here understand what is brand value creation on LinkedIn. But much more than that, the most important thing is how to kickstart on your LinkedIn profiles. Okay, so I will just go by the gut feeling that Asta has sent me those questions. She has noted down, the kind of frequently asked questions that are required for the group to understand. Oh, thank you so much, Asta. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, it has been a dream come true to be featured at the same time when my boss has been featured. So I have been writing articles for her, and at the same time now suddenly coming to this. So Asta, over to you. The kind of question that you had first asked me, I've just basically jotted them down. I'll keep referring to them once in a while. So we do not want to spoil that, and plus at the same time I want to give my very best responses. So we have structured these for you. Are you all ready, Mrs. Diva? Everyone over here, all the divas ready? Can we just have a thumbs up, a very quick one? I'm not looking for acknowledgement. I know you people are already there. It's just that I want to make sure that we are all ready to take this little step towards our own branding and actually make benefits of LinkedIn accounts. How many of us have LinkedIn accounts in here? So, Asta, you had asked me earlier, what is LinkedIn and why is it important for the divas to know about it, right? So, let me tell you this from my experience. Okay, this is not going to be a Wikipedia answer. It's not going to be a Google answer. LinkedIn is a social platform for serious people. Okay, when we say serious, as in even an 18-year-old, why I say 18 specifically, despite of the fact that I've seen certain young entrepreneurs, as in when I say young, I have seen 8-year-olds being on LinkedIn because they have innovated something. Their schools have sponsored the entire groups, so there have been certain innovators. Anybody who wants to be taken seriously is on LinkedIn. There are about 50 million users as of today, and out of that, 40 million are decision makers. So the others are all for job enhancements and career enhancements. That's one place for sure. But I think I've read this somewhere recently, a quote given to by somebody. Hi Arti. Recently there was a quote about somebody saying LinkedIn is not a resume making service anymore. It's a reputation. I'm sorry, I can't find who it is. But if any one of you finds that person, then after that, whoever has said this quote, after the session, just do make sure that you tag that person's name here, or at least find me that meme, which basically says this. LinkedIn is not a resume making service anymore, it's a reputation. So I'm sure that we all want to build our reputation as entrepreneurs, and that's exactly why we are here. I'm sure Asta has put in so many efforts to each one of you to build your ambitions into professions, from your ambitions into business and revenue making models, right? Yeah. So I hope that answers the question, Asta. When we say what is LinkedIn, all right. And now, if I was to tell you, What is the next question? Why LinkedIn, and why are, when there are so many other social media platforms? Ask the quite smarter question. Okay, so every profile, every profile on every social media platform has its own reasons and purposes, right? um, Importance of an Instagram, importance of Facebook, importance of a LinkedIn, importance of a Pinterest. All of these have different reasons why they are. And like I said, when you have a place where you are filtered only based on your professionalism or your expertise, that's why you are on LinkedIn. On Facebook, you are for every reason. You are today even for business reasons. However, on LinkedIn, you have only one single agenda throughout, across whoever the user is, whichever part of the world they are. It is a portal where people come, like-minded people come, and they socialize, they generate revenues. B2B mostly. B2C has now some kind of opening, of course. Innovators are there, job seekers are there, hiring people are there. So LinkedIn is only for serious minded people, unlike any other place. Every other place you kind of have fun. On LinkedIn, you barely see people having time pass, and all of that. ऐसा नहीं है कि दूसरी जगह नहीं होता है. It's just that other places people tend to get diverted. So I have a very strict timings as to how we go about on my LinkedIn, my operations. Bringing you to the question, you are asking me, what does it take to be having a good profile on LinkedIn? um Two things. You must have all heard of the buzzword optimized LinkedIn account. If you haven't, then let me tell you. The two words are: one, you have to have a well written profile. Second is you have to have an optimized profile. Extremely important to have an optimized profile. And I will just explain the difference between the two as well. Um, Today, if you were to go into Google search and type Rishika Inamdar, you know what you will get to see. Let me just try and see if I can do that right away. I'll just try and give you a live demo. Let's see it live. Okay, so I'll just take the camera here. Now I am just telling you, just turning the camera for a moment just to explain this. Or wait, I think this is better. I think this is better. So when I say Rishika Inamdar, that's me. And you get to see my pictures. I do not know who this cute little baby is. This is me, my clients, the poetries that I have been writing, and my other clients as well. So some of my clients are there, the ones who have been kind enough to tag me in their pictures. And what is the first link that we see? After images, we see LinkedIn. Now ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे पास Facebook का अकाउंट नहीं है. Facebook comes in third place. Then comes my website. First place, despite of the fact that I have my own website and I have my Facebook, yet the first search is LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is searched more frequently. Have a better understanding. I do not want to take too much of your time, but this is a very quick reason to explain to you that in LinkedIn, your names are searchable. Why? Because LinkedIn is frequently clicked, more frequently than Facebook. So as many clicks that a certain portal receives, you can see the kind of popularity it has, and in that popularity, my name is there first. So I mean, in the sense that this is giving you a clear understanding of how visibility works when it comes to LinkedIn accounts. Okay, now I'm just going back to the next question, just going to the next screen, just bear with me, guys. Okay, so we covered this question. Okay, Asta is asking, how do divas get started, and is it a paid social networking site? Asta, you are so concerned about every diva out here. Um, can I be extremely honest? You just need to have, of course, your official email ID. That's it, to have your account opening on LinkedIn. If those who do not have LinkedIn accounts, of course, you have email accounts, please use that and start creating your LinkedIn profile. About being paid, then there are certain features that they have on annual subscription basis, and it's up to people who whether they want to have premium services done or not. Otherwise, LinkedIn is okay. Over to the next question. You're saying, should do you suggest that we should have a free account or a paid account? I'm sure that kind of question is not new to me, at least. I'm sure it's not new to many people out here. Yeah. So the point I'm trying to tell you is, I have an account with LinkedIn for over 12, 15 odd years, maybe more. 95% of my business comes from LinkedIn, and till this date, I have not explored completely LinkedIn's features. Besides that, personal fact is, I have a free account. So my rosy roti comes from LinkedIn. 95% of my clients are from there, and I can tell you that I am having a free LinkedIn account, and that has not given me any difference. So people should not opt for paid until unless they want to create a status. We are not here to create a status immediately. Okay. So I hope that answers everyone's questions and everyone is feeling relieved. Um, okay, Asta is asking, how long does it take to create profiles on LinkedIn? Now, everyone at Divas, you need to make a note of this. It roughly takes about same time as a railway reservation form does. You can create it in a jiffy. Now, you'll find many of these available online. Okay, and you can actually conveniently download any of those, or you can drop in a message on the chat here, and I will send it across to Asta can disperse it to all of you. Or you may even want to, you already know how to get me on Google. Just click on Rishika Namdar, and on LinkedIn, the first link itself, just send a message to me and I'll send it across to you. I have a ready template available from Office Craft, and I can share that with you. Okay. Um, these, of course, the LinkedIn one's profile, the checklist is basic. So I'll share the same ones, nothing different. Asa is asking, Rishika, auditing, you have been auditing LinkedIn profiles. What are the two important factors to keep in mind before opening an account on LinkedIn? Okay, before opening an account. Can I continue with the last example? We right, reservation form to be filled in and LinkedIn form to be filled in. What do we need when we want to fill up a reservation form? We need to know where we want to go, the destination. And I'm sure Asta has empowered everyone at Mrs. Diva to know what their objective in life is. Welcome. So I see that when Asta has empowered each one of you to match your goals, to upscale your goals and grow, then in that case it's a little easy for. So that is point number one. Point number two is that kind of confidence that you have after being with Asta for so long and being in this group. all you need to do is show it on your profile picture. Your profile picture should have that kind of confidence, that needs to be seen, and that be प्रोफेशनल. ऐसा नहीं कि प्री मोदी एरा में शादी ढिंचाक ढिंचाक मना के आया, मस्त साड़ी वाड़ी पहन लेंगे, इतने लंबे लंबे झुमके. None of that. We need to keep ourselves simple, professional, and just the way we want to be accepted. LinkedIn, of course. Do what Romans do. Um, she's asking. Oh, before I come to that question, can I just give you one small tip about what uh, LinkedIn? Is anyone here? Is everyone listening? Please say free tip. Can you please all just type free tip? I will have an understanding. Okay, so each one of you can understand this from the fact website called Photo Feeler. PHOTOFEELER. Photo Feeler. You feed in your headshot picture, a clean headshot picture with no background, and select business, give them your designation. And not only people like me, there are viewers who will tell you whether your picture is professional enough to go on LinkedIn. I'm glad Dr. wanted this. I'm sure you wanted that free tip, right? So just in case if you are confused about whether this picture is looking professional, ask several users on Photo Feeler. They will give you an anonymous feedback whether your profile picture is that you have sent to Photo Feeler, whether it is professional enough or not. Right? Cool. You like that idea? If at all you want the link of that place, I will just try and send it to you right after that. Okay, now Asta says, at the time of making the profile, what if while making the list, while making, you have questions that are not to be filled in, or you're not sure if the details are right or wrong? Ah, I understand the nervousness, but you know what? Yes, Photofeeler Aarti, you're absolutely right. It's photofeeler.com. It's absolutely okay, Pooja. Anytime is good time. Anytime to start LinkedIn account is a good time. So, when we're coming back to this question, what if people are nervous about filling up the form? एक बात कहूँ to everyone very honestly, the stardom is not of LinkedIn is not going to hit our heads on the day one, right? Oh, great, Dr. Shashi, thank you. The stardom is not going to fall onto our heads immediately. It's going to take time. So I can give you very few important pointers without taking too much of your time to kickstart a good impression by just keeping a few things in your mind. 3-4 points, not big. Make your headline count. Your headline is extremely important. When I audit accounts, I have audited accounts for professionals across the globe, and I see this common mistake. In headlines, they make mistakes. What you need to do is maximum 10 words, 5 to 10 words. Speak about your mission statement or your purpose of being on LinkedIn. Don't say I am on LinkedIn because, just mention the statement. IT professional looking for positions, higher positions, or uh, like I say, I'm a brand catalyst, want to help evaluate people's brands. Okay, so whatever my mission statement is, I just mention it there, and that's about it. That is the very strong reason why headline is. I will give you the strong reasons soon enough once I get to optimize your accounts. Um, Filling out the summary field. is also extremely important. Let's say 3 to 4 of your topmost aspirations. Aspiration number one, aspiration number two, aspiration number three, aspiration number four. Don't bullet it. Don't bullet list it. Put it in statement. I wish to acquire so and so, so and so. After, like, if I can say, I want to touch 10,000 lives. I want to achieve 50,000 revenue from something. Those are your aspirations. You want to talk about your aspirations in your summary in 3 to 4 lines only, and the rest of it you give a brief about how to reach you, and most importantly, what's in it for me. That answer should be given in the summary statement. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने आपके प्रोफाइल को देखा, मैंने कहा अरे ये तो वर्चुअल असिस्टेंट है, मेरे कोई काम की नहीं है. What's in it for me? If I don't say I am here to evaluate your brand, or I'm a brand catalyst to give you a good experience, if I don't see it, मतलब मेरे काम का नहीं है बंदा. So in that place you have to make sure that you, in the end, towards the end, you need to mention what is it in for that person. Headline summary clear हो गया. Let's talk about, हाँ, एजुकेशन ऑन एक्सपीरियंसेस. इनके सर्टिफिकेट्स की अगर कॉपी है